What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cutting this crochet passion twist into a bob because I believe this weekend I plan on taking them out, and I just really wanted to see what they would look like if I cut it down to a bob. They have like a lot of tangles in it. I'm sure I could let it stretch for another week. I don't know. So that's why I'm deciding to cut it in a bob. So let's see how it looks. Okay. So I'm just going to bring it forward like so. And then I'm going to cut it in a slant.
For the kid. Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me, dreams I had for years all came down on me, trust gave in on me, lies came in on me, friends I had for years all traded in on me, storms raged in on me, hell came down on me, nothing left to lose, life caved in on me, else came in on me, love gave in on me, but in my mind, I'm alive, 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 like a champion, no, I know, I am champion, hope fell down on me, people gave up on me, plans I made for years all crashed down on me, time gave in on me, everything hard on me, fam I thought was cool, all walked out on me, luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me, pain all in my way, lights went out on me, change caved in on me, nothing is saving me, but in my mind, I'm alive, 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 like a champion, no, I know.
And I'll wear it like that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.